So guys, here comes our Nasdaq 100 for the day. So if you've not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. Please like, share, and also comment. Let's take a look at what our Nasdaq 100 will be moving for today, which is on the 30. To be able to do that, first of all, we will start with the movement on our Nasdaq 100. You can see on this daily time frame we are bearish, right? I don't want to start on the weekly time frame, but daily time frame, for quick analysis, you can see we are bearish move. Now let's add this moving average, which is 10. So price is below 10 period moving average, especially this recent movement, right? So we all know the rules of trading 10 period moving average. Once price is below 10 period moving average, we have to short. So above all, our Nasdaq 100 has actually been going bearish. It is dropping, right? Now, of this recent move, we'll be analyzing it from. Let's take a look at this movement, right? On this, this was a pullback level on our weekly time frame, guys. Now take a look at it. Let's see it for better understanding on weekly time frame. It will be a quick one. You can see this impulse move that happened on the weekly time frame, right? Then a correction happened, right? So we add another impulse movement, down huge impulse movement, then a correction happened. Now we've added another impulse movement. It is now close to that our previous lower lows. So this was the previous lower lows before we add the pullback, right? So of course we are on a bearish move. We all know on the weekly time frame we are bearish, right? We are dropping. So what are you guys expecting to happen on this weekly time frame? Of course, we all know this movement. Price will actually break this previous lower lows and continue to go bearish, right? So we are expecting on our weekly time frame that this price breaks this our previous lower lows, the price will continue to go bearish, right? So we are still expecting a drop. That is on our weekly time frame. So that is it. So let's see on what this daily time frame says. So for better understanding, so you see it on this daily time frame. Like I said once again, this was like a pullback level on our weekly time frame. It is more visible, but on this daily time frame, it's just showing higher highs and higher lows. But weekly time frame is just kind of like this impulse move upward. So now take a look at this on this level here. So we add this impulse move downward on Nasdaq 100, then a correction was made, then another impulse move, right? Then we add a correction. So we add another impulse move. We saw this impulse move broke the previous lower lows, a little bit of a correction, right? Now we've had another impulse move. Guys, after the impulse move, guess what again? We add a correction, which we talked about. If you were watching this video consistently, especially the weekly aspect of it, I said once we drop to this level here, we would have a pullback. So we drop to the level and we add a pullback. So now, guys, after this pullback, we are expecting a drop again. This is why we are having this drop. So Nasdaq 100, we are expected to continue to go bearish. But for today, are we going to have that bearish move? Well, I don't think so. But one thing I know for sure is that by next week, we will be having that huge impulse drop on Nasdaq 100. But for today, which is the last day of the week, which is Friday, well, price might not really move that way. But in order to be able to see it, let's see it on our 4-hour time frame for sure. You can see price. Let's just assume price is actually trading on the 4-hour time frame. You can take out this level. We saw price came to this level, reacted, then broke below it, right? So price kind of roll, tested it here. This is why we had this huge wake. It came again, tested this level 2 times, right? It came again, roll up. It came again, roll up. It tested the level. That is 3 times. You saw it here. 1, 2, 3. So price has come to test this level 3 times. Let us just assume that if this Nasdaq 100 will give us that bullish move, let us just assume if it will give us that bullish move, then we should see it actually roll up to this level and reject it again. So definitely, I don't think it will break above it. Definitely, it will not. It won't even happen self. So in case this week just give us that bullish move on Nasdaq 100, then we should actually come to see it react, come to this level, then react and have another drop that will break this new lows. So once we have that drop, we would expect the drop to actually break this new lows, which we are having this huge candlestick. So guys, watch out for it. Nasdaq 100, we're very much likely to have a bull run on our 4-hour time frame. Come and reject this level, then a drop again should occur. So watch out for it on Nasdaq 100.